Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to duplicate your drawing on the ibisPaint X application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should select the piece of art that you have created and that you would like to duplicate. So tap on the relevant one and click on the fifth option down below, which is this three dots icon, and click on the duplicate button. So now if you go back to your gallery, you can see that there is the duplication of that certain drawing. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.